Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. My name is Shawn and I welcome you back to your daily serving of mango juice. It's still a stormy day outside and Bitcoin storming up. And we talked about this, didn't we? A few days ago when Bitcoin was boring everybody, we said, hey guys, it's the calm before the storm. Just be patient. And literally, the very next day, you don't have to wait long. The very next day, Bitcoin started to storm up. And I start having a storm outside my window. So what do you know, guys? Over here at Mango, we not only forecast BTC prices, but we also forecast the weather. Congratulations on your bonus material. But Jesus Christ, man, it's actually, I do want to apologize for two things. One, for the lighting. Like, I know it's going to be a little dark in here today. I'm not getting the same sunlight as usual, so apologies for that. I should get some external lighting, some better lighting at the very least. And two, for being late on today's video. I'm not I'm not making this up. I actually woke up intentionally today, way earlier, to get out the video earlier. Why? Because I know a lot of you guys have been antsy on the recent price action, and I just wanted to clear out a lot of things today. But man, I had the most frustrating technical issues, right? I just couldn't get anything done. And sometimes that kind of stuff really gets to someone when you wake up intentionally to get something done. You can't get anything done. Combined with, I sometimes can't help but ask myself, why even bother, right? Because I'm not complaining, guys. But sometimes I really miss out on some really good trade opportunities while I'm doing these videos, and those I let go. But these kind of scenarios really get to me, and I was really frustrated. And I get to my Telegram, and I see a message from one of our prized members in our community, right? Let me try and pull that up over here. I got a screenshot. Let me try and get this out. All right, right there. Yeah, from T-Bag, man. This guy's awesome. He sends me this message. He says, I have made $200 to $500 each day because of your teachings. I know this takes courage to do it, but I'm trying this on my small account. Now, I know a lot of you guys will scoff on something like $200 to $500, but keep in mind that one, he's doing this on a smaller account, so he's being safe about it. And $200 to $500 is around $350 on average each day. You put that to 365 days a year, right? That's coming up to around $128,000 to $130,000 a year, man. That's a lot of supplemental income, okay, on top of his already full-time job. And this guy's one of the dudes who I know he sits down with everything that I teach on my videos. He takes notes, and he's so goddamn resilient and persistent, man. He's come a long way, and when I started doing these videos, I just wanted to help one person, okay, just one person, and these kind of things make everything worth it. So all that negativity I had in this morning got flushed out with just this one comment. Like, it's just good to know that there are people out there who are taking this seriously, taking this content to heart too, and putting in the effort to get better. And that's what I like about T-Bag, right? He's willing to invest in himself to be able to get better. And oh, by the way, guys, speaking of which, T-Bag is also one of our prized beta testers for the Mango indicator, and he's been freaking killing it there too. He's been taking more trades on it than I have, and he's making it all worth. Let me go ahead and actually pull out the Mango Vine indicator quickly, because it's been the lifesaver for us over here at Mango. I've been showing this to all of you guys, so no excuses, guys, no excuses. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Yeah, right there. So the Mango Vine actually switched bullish all the way over here on the 1 hour, right? We had the 1 hour switch bullish at around 9,750. If you guys do remember, I started going long at around 9,850. This was a big reason. Then the 2 hour switch too, and it's been a while since the 2 hour switch freaking green. Even the 1 hour for the matter, but the 2 hour especially switch green. And for those of you, we'll talk about this in a bit. For those of you who do have access to it, you guys know the 3 hour switch too, right? Let's go over this quickly. The 3 hour switch too, right over here at 10,450. I know some of you guys took up. I added to my. By the way, guys, full disclosure, I added to my position at 10,450-ish, and again at 10,350-ish. I'll talk about why. And then we had the 4 hour switch too, and you're gonna know why now, right? We had the 4 hour switch right over here, giving us really good trade entries. But there were other things too. Come on, TradingView, not today. Don't do this to me today. Let's wait for it. We have nothing else to do, right? Switch right over here, right? So I do want to talk about a couple of things on why I took those trades. You'll see that when we switch on over to a 1 hour. For those of you guys who do have access to the Mango Wine Indicator and who have access to all the supplemental videos that come with it, you know that this was the perfect trade right here, perfect trade setup right here, right? When we got this drive down, and that's when I took the trade, and you could have added over here as well. Actually, that was that was not only a better entry, but that was actually when you got your confirmation. But this was later in the night for me, so I did not add over here. Krisha, actually, who's fortunately visiting her parents in another time zone, was able to add this for me while I was sleeping. So we got those positions in, and it's things are looking really good. And I do want to talk about this too. Everything, this is, I don't take trades just off one thing. Okay, I never trust anything on its own, as powerful as it may be. I look for other things. And if you go ahead and look at the 2 hour, right, while everybody I got a lot of messages yesterday from people asking me, hey man, should I buy here, it's running away from me, price is running away from me. The 2 hour was calling this over right here. Again, this is the 2 hours, so you're not going to get a big drawdown, but this was a good enough drawdown, right, from 10,600 ish, right, calling this move, telling you that, hey, be patient, we have start flashing here, warning you, and then we got the drawdown. You got your better entry because the 3 hour switch too over there. And look at that, man, this will be really interesting to watch. 2 hour now flashing yellow again. So let's see if this actually plays out. So yeah, for those of you who actually have been playing this pretty aggressively, this I'm beginning to become a believer on the lower time frames as well. As you guys know, I primarily played this off it was a good thing I played this off the high time frames, right? When we took our trade all the way, where was it all the way over here, right, at around 3,900 to 4,000 ish, rode it all the way to the top, right? It flashed yellow over here, warning you, flashed yellow over here too, warning you. This has been really good. And again, like this thing over here, as you guys know, this is becoming a very, for those of you guys who have access to the videos, you guys know what this means. I'm not going to go over here because we do have a lot to talk about today. I want to talk about, I do want to talk about a couple of things because I wasn't able to talk about this on the Mango Telegram group with the freaking we did talk about this in the seed group though. I brought this up in the Mango Telegram group, but not the I wasn't able to go through it all, right? But I was able to post a couple of clips in the Mango Seed group. So by the way, the Mango Seed program group is we do have some really good people in there, some really good conversations. I like that the people who are usually shy in the group are now having conversations in there. Not as much as I like, but good. Let's go ahead and pull up what I'm talking about. As you can see, this is one of the setups that you guys should be watching for, right? Because I've been keeping a track on this. As you can see, the 1 hour was printing bearish divergence, right? As you can see, drive down, and over here, drive up, which, and that's not enough. I don't like looking only at the time frame, which then spills on over to the 2 hour. As you can see, we had the same thing. And I want bear with me over here. I know it's taking a bit long to load. I know I'm being slow today. So and then we have it spilled on over to the 2 hour. Drive up, drive down. For those of you guys who understand divergence, and then it's spilled on over to a 3 hour, right? Boom. As you can see, we have divergence between these 2 points over here and driving up over here. That's how you know that you're going to get a better entry if you missed your entry, right? For everybody who missed this break over here, and I was included in that, right? I was included because, as you guys know, I took my first position at around 9,850-ish, right? But I was taking profits along the way. I was very open about that. So I'm like, okay, cool, we had a nice break. I want to get back into position. Things are looking good. As you know, on the higher time frames, we broke that major box, right? So hey, I'm going to try for my trades. And this was telling me, okay, Shawn, don't FOMO. You can get a better entry combined with the Mango Wine Indicator. I was like, things are looking good. And what do you know, then spills on over to the 4 hour as well. And you guys know where I'm going with this. And that's not what is key though, right? Anybody can do that. What you need to watch out for is when the bearish divergence turns into bullish divergence. And let's go on over to the 4 hour. And as you can see that right over here, we had bearish divergence in the 4 hour between these 2 points playing out, right? But this is a bullish freaking sign right here. When you don't get the move all the way down to the 50, what you're looking for is, if it plays out fully, you want to come around the zone over here, around the 58 level on the RSI. 55 would have actually been good. Lines are exactly with this, and at the very least come down to the 21 EMA. One of those two, but two things happen. And think back to my older videos when we had a huge trend, when Bitcoin actually started trending. Two things happened. One, we got picked up very early, right? And we'll talk about where we got picked up. And two, we turned it into bullish divergence, as you can see, right? We turned from a bearish divergence into bullish divergence. I'm not going to go over what divergence is in this video. I'll probably do a tutorial on it, but again, you guys got to think 2-3 steps ahead of the normal divergence players. Don't play it blindly. Like, okay, so that's that. Yeah, I do want to talk about this. Where did we get picked up? Where did we get picked up? Do you guys remember? 10 SMA, boom, right? So many things pointing towards taking a trade off this area, guys. I hope you guys took it. Now the question is, should you be buying over here, right? Let's go on over to we can switch to 12 hours and looking at the daily. Should you be buying over here? Should you be buying over here? I know I'm getting those questions via PM a lot. And let's go ahead and put up our horizontals. I don't know, because as you can see, I do have this. Yeah, let me show you guys this on the 4-hour time frame. We have this this upward trending channel, right? You can call it a channel, a wedge, whatever the hell you want it. To me, this is more of a channel, and I would be a bit reluctant to be a buyer over here. Should you be buying on the top of the blue box? I know this is a level that a lot of people are going to be looking at. It's also the 200 MA on the 4 hour, so it is a good level. I'm a bit hesitant, man. I'm a bit hesitant. Number of reasons. This looks a little bit drawn out to me, looks a bit mature. We could keep going, we could definitely keep going. And the 2 hour on the mango vine indicator is again calling a warning signal, man. Let's go up and pull that over here on the 2 hour. Come on. Sorry guys, it's TradingView, it's not me, man. I'm trying to be as fast as I can. It's warning you, but like I said, I'm not a top picker, I'm not a bottom picker, right? You got to use it in confluence with everything else, and I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know what your risk management is. I don't know what your outlook is in terms of is this a short-term trade, is this a long-term trade, all of that. So it all comes to play. As you can see though, like this looks like it's playing out. God damn it, this thing is freaking powerful. Did it give us a good 2 hour? No, maybe this might be it. And I know there's one of you accesses was waiting for this goddamn the signal to play out on the 1 hour for so long. The poor guy was waiting like I think 4-5 hours. He's like, it's not happening. Like, be patient. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then it freaking happened. And yeah, he took the trade. And I'm pretty sure he took the trade. I'm pretty sure because he was pretty happy after. Anyways. That being said, let's see how this plays out. Let's go ahead and talk about the higher time frames right now. I talked about the lower time frames enough, I believe. Yeah, we do have this channel here. We could be playing in this channel. We could come all the way down to the bottom of the channel, 10,493, which would the reason I'm kind of hesitant here, because this is a key level, right? Do we want to see this breaking? Do we want to see this key level? If this key level breaks, then what does that even mean? I would be hesitant over here is what I'm saying to be a buyer here. The time to be buying was here, right? Because everything lined up. Also, there you go, by the way, it's also lined up with this channel. Again, the whole story coming together, man. Everything telling us. Okay, so what's going on? Yeah, the higher time frame. Let's go back on over to a daily. As you know, guys, at the end of the day, I like the higher time frames, but though sometimes Bitcoin forces you onto the lower time frame. When Bitcoin's doing this, it forces you onto the lower time frames, and that's the good thing and the bad thing of it pumping, right? Which is why you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes and be flexible. So on the daily, we have cleared out this level, but we haven't closed yet, right? We haven't closed it, which is another thing pointing to, hey, I'll be a little bit hesitant before getting too bullish over here, right? Before, if you guys are wanting to enter your trades here, I'll be a little bit hesitant. But at the same time, Bitcoin can, high time frames always win. We do have a key level over here at 10,856. We have tested that level, getting rejected over there. Okay, good, as expected. Another key level is going to be the top of this pivot level over here, this pivot high, 11,125. That's going to be a very, very good level. I'll be expecting to be honest, I'll be expecting shorters to be coming in anywhere around this zone, right? Anywhere around this zone, I'll be expecting shorters to be coming in. I did not get that. So did they front run and try over here? Yeah, I think they would. They some of them would be front running and trying shorts over there. So rejections over here would be expected. Why? Because it lines up with these guys over here too. And what else does it line up? It lines up with the 4 hour trend with this channel that, like I said, could break down towards the bottom. And now the question is, how far down does it break? When it breaks, that will also give us another clue. We're looking for clues here, guys. We're looking for clues. There's so many things I do want to talk about, right? But I don't think I can cover all of them. I really don't think I can cover all of them. So I'll try and cover what I can. Let's go ahead and look at the weekly. The weekly is important. Look at how the weekly is closing, guys. There's something I do want to talk about in the weekly, but I'll cover that tomorrow. Yeah, there's not much to be said here, right? Not much to be said. You can go ahead and put on our EMAs. We've taken the 10 SMA back very, very. Is this? Oh, this is the 4-day. My bad. Oh, by the way, the 4-day. While we're on here, that's okay. We talked about this. This is what started making me mildly bullish, right? I'll say mildly bullish because all my key criteria weren't hit yet, but I was not willing to get bearish here at all, right? Why? The 4-day had this key level over here that was holding, and what else? I talked about this right when we were here before we even started this move. The bullish divergence, and now stochastics may be crossing to the upside too. Let's go ahead and wait for this. Don't front run it. So it's all coming. All the pieces are coming to place. Now we can go ahead and look at the weekly. Let's go to your emails and look at the weekly. 10 SMA reclaimed. If TradingView wants to be a little bit nicer to me, ooh, are we gonna actually have a bullish engulfing? No, we can't have a bullish engulfing on this. Hey, but this is bullish, man. This is bullish either way. The 10 SMA completely reclaimed. We weren't able to have the confirmation that we were looking for. Now the setup is looking extremely constructive. But let's go ahead and switch on over to the BitMEX chart. Actually, that's not BitMEX. That's Kraken, and my freaking charts will not load today. Yeah, I'll go ahead and clear out all my horizontals, remove all drawing tools, and I'll clear out. I do want to say that we could simply do not get too excited for the big 20,000 moves yet, guys. We could simply just be ranging between these areas right here. All right, let's adjust that a little bit. You can turn that into a zone actually. What numbers are those? 9,000, 9,000. What do you know? So yeah, we could be simply doing that. We could simply be doing that. What would be a good victory for this week if we close above here, right? That would be a good victory for this week. Any close over 10,657. So hey, that is a weekly level too, right? So a pop down to that level today would not be a retest of that level. Would not be surprising at all. So let's keep an eye on that. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to look at, right? The time to be getting into position was 9,600ish, 9,800ish. We got in at 9,850. Bitcoin already doing $1,000 since then. Can't be sleeping, man. There's a time to be getting greedy, and there's a time to be sitting on the sidelines. There's a time to be entering positions. And now again, am I looking for big Bitcoin pumping to 20,000 from here? No, we have some work to do, man. And Bitcoin, as some of you guys know in the Telegram group, some of you guys have been pointing that out. We could simply range between this zone here, 11,400, 11,500. In fact, I think if we go on over to a 2-day, we can put up even a bigger range. Let's go ahead and do that. Talked about this in yesterday's video, right? We can go ahead and put up a it's not the prettiest chart on the 2-day. Not the prettiest chart. I'll do this. Right, and then we can take out a weekly level temporarily. Yeah, we'll be ranging between something like this, right? And then we could actually end up putting in, again, this is a lot of crystal ball TA, but we could end up maybe putting in a symmetrical triangle, right? Who knows? Or perhaps even an ascending triangle, right? And this over here, by the way, was a bull trap. I'm ignoring. I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, hey, you can't ignore that, man. That's price action. Okay, that's fine. Do what you have to do, man. I'm ignoring this because this to me was a freaking trap, and any break above this to me is going to be a break to me. Again, just like there when it happened, it was very similar to all these scenarios, right? Very similar, man. And this time it's just happening on a larger scale. So should I end it over there for this video? Should I end it over there? That's a question. Or should I talk about all the multitude of things I want to talk about? I think I'm going to end it over there for today because my day has already gotten far more extended than I expected it to because of the technical issues. Again, guys, thank you so much, man. All of you guys who do message me with those comments of appreciation. It means more than you know. It does mean way more than you, because it keeps me going. And sometimes it gets hard to keep this up every single day. But that was my commitment to you guys when I started doing this, and I'm gonna probably falter some days, but hey, I'm gonna try my best. So far, I've been staying true. I think I've gotten every single day. I've gotten a video out every single day. So. It's a Saturday. Enjoy your weekend. Do it the mango way. do the stress-free way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found some value. Hey, I'll do a quick recap for you guys, right? Let's go on to a daily. Known contact from the Mango Telegram group said, hey Shawn, it'll be good if you do a quick summary each time. So I'm going to do that summary. He was right on that, because this can get a little bit confusing. On the daily, we still have some work to do. Okay, we'll go ahead and pull up our Coinbase chart and pull up our our box. If we close over 10,673, good. We'll also be setting up for the weekly close, which is 10,650 level that we need to close. Still good. But is all our work done? No, not really, right? I would not be getting too aggressive over here, guys, unless you're already in position, because we do have resistance over here. People will be coming in here. So be careful. If they don't, that's just more information. That's more. If Bitcoin rips from here, right? It is what it is, man. Do not chase trades. This market has a lot of opportunity. That being said, to the lower side again, 10,200 would be a key level. I would not want to see that happen, because it would mean that we're giving up this level. So it makes things hard over here. But that would be another key level. I would not be bearish at all. I would not be looking for any bearish moves until we break 9,400. No, that's why even though I saw all of those rejections, I did not take shots. Those are my rules, right? Were those bad plays? Were these bad plays? Because we had strong divergence, so many warning signals over here, right? I knew this was going to happen. I don't say knew, nothing is for certain, but there's a strong probability. But my rules kept me away from taking that trade, and my rules also revolve around my current situation in my life, right? One, I don't need to be taking on too many stressful trades. I already had a really good year. Two, I'm doing other things. I'm trying to get all the course content out for the seed program. So that is another commitment I made for the people who have already prepaid for it and have, like, put their trust in me. So I have my mind is on that. If I was trading just pure like aggressively like I used to, I would have probably taken that trade. But for now, I'm not interested. Those are my current rules that revolve around my current life situation. So when I say I'm not taking any of those kind of trades, I don't mean to put you guys. I know a lot of you guys think that I'm putting you guys down, but I'm not. Okay, so back to my summary. Daily, we need some work to do. We are printing, by the way, a descending triangle over here, so keep an eye out on that too. If we close a 1 hour underneath 10,770, I'll be looking for a move to probably to around this area over here to the top of this blue box territory. If we break that too, which is likely, if we initiate a rejection of the top of the channel back down to around 10,500, if we break that too, probably down to this level. If we break that too, probably back down to 9,700. Would I be surprised if that happens? Not at all. Would I care? Not at all. So that's your quick summary for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was useful in at least some way, and I again apologize for being late on today's video. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.